This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Sandy Pricer. Pristine condition transitional home in Wedgewood Estates on 0.35 acre lot. Property line extends 4 to 5 beyond shed to other side of bushes, enough room for a pool. Open, flowing floor plan great for entertaining. Lovely kitchen opens to breakfast area and family room with built-in cabinets. Huge primary bedroom, bathroom and walk-in closet. 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Frog is 4th bedroom. Updates include architectural shingle roof, 2011 2-zone HVAC, 2012 and 2019, tankless hot water heater, 2014 with 25-year guarantee, gutters, 2017, carpets, 2019, more. $50 per year HOA fee. Easy access to interstates, military installations, schools, and downtown Norfolk. A gem. For more information, review the details below.